I don't know why you love phone so much.
Is that your phone?
It's somebody's phone, but he loves the phone so much.
Phones. I like to own the phones. It wants to own the phone. Own the phone. Boom. Right, you want to own the phone.
Are we going in the mall?